My name is Andrew Peter, and I am a product manager at Ternary. And so Ternary is a cloud cost management and optimization tool, specifically in the FinOps space that will connect to your cloud service provider and pull in all of your billing and usage data so that you can get that information in kind of a single pane of glass view and start to really understand the top cost drivers and get to a point where you can start optimizing and reducing that cost ideally, or even associate that cost to something like a unit cost to be able to kind of track and understand how much your infrastructure is costing you in relation to your company's revenue goals. We are a multi-cloud reporting solution, so we support all of the top cloud providers: AWS, Google, Azure, Ali Cloud, etc. We have a SaaS or self-hosted deployment solution. So most customers want to have the SaaS flavor, but if it's in your interest to have this running in your own cloud, you can do that as well. Relating to kind of containers and Kubernetes, we are a little bit different in that we actually provide an agentless Kubernetes monitoring solution. So I know that a lot of the similar tools in the space have their own agent that needs to be installed on all of your containers, which can run into issues with supporting the latest versions, et cetera. But we out of the box just support all of the native cloud vendor monitoring solutions. So there's no additional setup required. Additionally, you can quickly see the cluster level or the node level to be able to really kind of understand the overall usage within your containers, which is a huge benefit. I know it's kind of can be a tough thing to really track and understand. A few other key points we have, our custom labeling for more detailed and cost analysis. So not only do we pull in the cloud service provider tags, but we allow you to group and really kind of provide some advanced Boolean filtering logic to get detailed, meaningful custom labels to, again, help track and monitor your cost and usage. We also provide machine learning-based anomaly detection, which is also kind of human tunable and trainable over time so that it's also meaningful to you. Another great differentiator that we have is we have a case management tool built into Ternary directly. So any chart or table or information you see within the platform, you can just create a case directly in Ternary, and you can assign different users and track the progress, which is also a bidirectional sync with Jira Cloud. So that you can have engineers not have to go out of their way maybe to be able to track and monitor those cases. And I think the last kind of big differentiator from us in the space is that we provide a fixed pricing model with no overages. So there's not an additional cost for number of users or total monitored cost. It's once we agree to a price, that's your locked in rate, and there's not going to be any change in that to help kind of keep those things consistent. So that's my concise overview of our platform, and thanks for the time.